If you will remember, in yesterday's episode we had put our first coat over that gray, and because the gray was so dark, well, it just showed right through. Or maybe I should say because the deck tan is so light it couldn't cover the gray. Anyway, I was wishing that I could have sprayed it. I may have been able to, put a little bit more on, more evenly. And I suppose I could have if I had to spend an hour or more masking all the little parts off. Maybe I should have taken the time. Probably would have been a better idea. But I didn't. So here goes for the second coat. And I can see here that it seems to be, covering pretty good. I think this is going to be okay once it's dry. Anyway, going to be another short video today, folks. Well, I think once that dries, that's going to be pretty good. I can see up here already where it's pretty near dry. It's blending in really well. I can hardly tell that this has been brushed on. And once I get the anchors on and the anchor chain, and a few details stuck on here and there, we're not going to know. Yeah. I will leave that dry now and see how it looks tomorrow. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.